Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. In this video, you will see my response to the following art challenge. Turn your name or initials into a work of art. Your initials come from the first letter of your first, middle, and last name. Fun fact, I do not have a middle name, so my initials are simply C from Cole and M from Melvin. Watch me while I turn a C and an M into a character dog that I call the Melv Dog. Making a Melv Dog isn't a really huge challenge for me. I like to draw these all the time. So I'm going to pretend that maybe my name is Archie Reginald Thompson. That way, when you make my initials, or put them together, it would spell A-R-T, art. I just think that that's really clever. Once you have your initials figured out, you just have to put them together in whatever way feels right to you. The shape of the letter A from Archie reminds me a lot of the tip of a pencil. Since the initials spell art, I think that that's an idea I can run with. This challenge really can test your creativity. Remember that there are no wrong answers in art. You can always erase, flip your paper over, try it again as many times as you need to. Persist with it because you've got this, artist. While I take some time to finish up my drawing, think about what your initials could be turned into. Well, now that you've seen my response, it's your turn to try. Turn your name or initials into a work of art. It can be a doodle or a masterpiece, but either way, happy making, artist, and enjoy.